Bella, look at them. Okay, so I have 5 minutes left on this memory card. It's fine. Everything's fine. I am listening to A Mastery of Monsters by Leslie Samberry. And it's pretty good. All I knew, I was literally watching. I always want to call her Suzanne, but that's not her name. I'll put her channel up on the screen here. And I was watching her, and she like reads literally like 6 books a week. She reads so much. But she read this book and she was like raving about it. Great. She did like a week of fantasy, raving about it. And so I looked up the author, and like I saw a couple books by the author, but I've never read anything by them. By her, Leslie, I think it's Leslie. Lucille, maybe? I don't know. Anyway, and I was like, oh, she is like raving about this book. So I literally just picked it up and I just started reading it. Went in blind. It is about a girl who this girl is off the chain, off the hook. She lived like a very strict childhood, and then her mom goes missing and she just goes off the rails. So it reminds me of literally like an 80s movie, like when the child is just like off the hook and like does whatever they want to do because they feel like they're entitled to be that way. And she ends up in a society and monsters are real. And basically she only knows the monsters are real because a monster basically comes after her when she's with someone who's a part of this society. And then she decides to join into the society because her brother has gone missing and something connects him to this secret society. And so now she's looking for him, but at the same time she is doing these trials basically. So I love a good trials. So far, okay, the bad part is I'm only 30% in, and literally the book returns tomorrow, I think. So I'm just gonna have to listen to it as much as possible. I renewed it, but it's there's a wait list basically, so it could potentially be 2 weeks before I get it back, but whatever. I'm enjoying it so far. They've gone through their first like trial, and this chick, she's a hot mess. She's a hot mess because she keeps trying to like say she's just here for a short time, not a long time. I'm just gonna do this and I'm gonna leave. I'm just gonna do this, I'm gonna leave. But she's not really listening to what they're saying because they're really trying to sell her that she's about to bond with somebody. And like, I'm not sure if we're remembering or like knowing what a bond is about. I don't know. She's very skeptical of this whole society. She's like, it's cultish. I thought it was also going to go the way of like racism, right? Like white people against black people, but it's not. Like the actual society is very diverse. So there's no like racism there, but she also has like moments in her past where she's talking about things where people were upset with her because of her race, or people didn't like the fact that she talked more like a white girl than a black girl. She also talks about her weight, so that is very triggering. I think in the very beginning there were trigger warnings about grief, about fat shaming, and I think there's one more trigger warning, I forget, like one more major one. But anyway, yeah, so far I like it. I definitely want to keep listening to it, keep reading it. I have some packages here that we're going to open up. But first I need to empty my memory card because literally I have 1 minute left. So I'm going to empty my memory card and we're going to open up some packages because I may or may not have gotten a deluxe edition of Twilight. I did in fact. Oh, my alarm didn't go off. I had like an alarm for my food that I was cooking for my daughter, and it didn't go off. Anyway, I think this is definitely the books, so we'll do this one last. But I also got a few things for my trip that is coming up. Oh, have hauls. I never have like, I think I got a good thumbnail. Anyway, I got some things for my trip. So, oh, and some necessities. So, my face brush was basically falling apart. Not just dirty, so like when it gets dirty, you wash it, you know, all that, but like literally the hairs were just falling out. And I'm like, if I wash this, it's just gonna get worse. So I got a replacement. This is literally just a clear pencil box. I needed an item to make the whole thing be overnighted. What is this? Is this the skirt? Yes, this is a mini skirt. So I've been wanting like a little skirt, like a skirt, and there was one for like 15 bucks on Amazon. So I got that for vacation. I'm gonna try that on later on, not right now. Oh, okay. This is the jewelry. So it's little diamond earrings. My son just got his ears pierced. My daughter actually also has her ears pierced, and she's just recently like getting into wearing like little studs. These are bangles. I haven't worn bangles in forever. Legit forever. But they're like a little bangle set. And my nail, I feel like my nails are just giving mom hand, and my mom hand needs some bangles. I'm just saying. So, and then like literally a little collection of rings. So these are just little like knuckle rings or whatever. Like I love those. So this is like literally for vacation, like me going on vacation and like dressing up, just because in my everyday life I don't really get to wear a lot of jewelry because I'm working all the time. Let's see. Oh, this is the bonnet. This is an interesting, it's a weird thing, but it's the bonnet. I don't know if you watched my previous vlog, my daughter lost her bonnet, and she gonna pay me. She gonna pay me for that bonnet, okay? All right. The moment we've all been waiting for. The books. Okay, so this is the 20th year anniversary of Twilight, the books. They're also playing, like replaying the movies in the theater, and like I very badly want to go see all of them, but I literally own all of them. Like it's not that necessary, but bro. Okay, this is the box set. Twilight, New Moon, Eclipse, Breaking Dawn, Midnight Sun. Oh my gosh. And you're probably like, don't you already own these? Mind your business, first of all. Second of all, I'm going to resell them. The ones that I own. Okay, relax. Third of all, this is the deluxe collection. Okay? This is what we're talking about. This is big stuff. This is big news here. Literally the design is just beautiful. It's like a little bit of Twilight, a little bit of midnight. Look at that. A little of the moon right there. The flowers. Look at Edward and Bella. Look at them. Oh my god. I'm literally, first of all, I'm reading Twilight right now. And it's so good. It's so good, my friends. If you haven't read Twilight and you like the story at all, you need to read it. Oh, I should have. I had one more brush. Oh, it hasn't came yet. It comes tomorrow. About 3 things I'm absolutely positive. First, Edward was a vampire. Second, there's a part of him, and I didn't know how potent that part might be, that thirsted for my blood. And third, I was unconditionally and irrevocably in love with him. Chills. If you could see my arm right now, the goosebumps, the chills. Look at her. Look, oh my gosh, it's beautiful. With the apple, look at the apple. Oh my God. Okay, I'm so happy I got this. Okay, I was debating so much about getting this, and I literally saved up my money. I literally saved up my money to purchase these deluxe editions. So there's nothing on the inside. I thought there was going to be like something on like the end pages or like underneath the book. There isn't. It's just plain, but I'm in love. And then the edges are like the stars and the Twilight. So oh, I'm in love. Okay, so this, let's see. There's a new moon. I knew we were both in mortal danger. Still, in that instant, I felt well, whole. I could feel my heart racing in my chest and the blood pulsing hot and fast through my veins again. My lungs filled deep with the sweet scent that came off his skin. And it was like there had never been any hole in my chest. I was perfect, not healed, but as if there had been no wound in the first place. New moon. Look at this. Look at this color. It's beautiful. Oh my gosh. Okay. Eclipse. In the dead silence, all the details suddenly fell into place for me with a burst of intuition. Something Edward didn't want me to know. Something that Jacob wouldn't have kept from me. It was never going to end, was it? Oh, I don't remember this. Eclipse. Most of the quotes on the back, like I remember like reading and like what part of the story that is. I don't remember that one. Okay, and then Breaking Dawn. Breaking Dawn is literally the one that I do not own like already. So this one I'm definitely going to like physically read. I definitely think I'm just gonna physically read all of them because like I said, right now I'm reading Twilight. And this is my Twilight that I'm currently reading. I think I'm actually gonna give this away. But yeah, okay. Don't be afraid, I murmured. We belong together. I was abruptly overwhelmed by the truth of my own words. This moment was so perfect, so right, and there was no way to doubt it. His arms wrapped around me, holding me against him. I felt like every nerve ending in my body was a live wire. Forever, he agreed. The absolute chills. Breaking Dawn. It's their little cottage, their little house. And then, oh, there's so much on the back of this. I'm not reading this, but maybe. As I met her penetrating gaze, read the silence, the sympathy there, I abruptly yearned for sleep. Not for oblivion, as I had before. Not to escape boredom, but because I wanted to dream. Maybe if I could be unconscious, if I could dream, I could live for a few hours in a world where she and I could be together. She dreamed of me. I wanted to dream of her. She stared back at me, her expression full of wonder. I had to look away. I could not dream of her. She should not dream of me. Midnight Sun. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Midnight Sun. Oh my God, it's such a good read. It's such a good read. You get so much of like what he thinks. Oh, it's so good. And then like there is a book where it's like it's like Edward and Bella are switched. I forget like the name of look at it. It's beautiful. Look at this box. It's gorgeous. Okay. Anyway, I forget the name of the book where it's like they're switched, where it's like Edward, the vampire is the girl basically. I'm gonna have a great time. Oh wait, I'm missing one. Breaking Dawn. Yeah, so I can't wait to reread Breaking Dawn and then reread Midnight Sun. Honestly, I can't wait to reread all of them because I'm having such a good time rereading Twilight. Look at this. Look at these together. They're gorgeous. They're so beautiful. Oh my gosh. I am dying. Where's my phone? need to like record a little clip for my tickety talks. My device is too hot. My device ain't hot. Yes. Yes. Okay. Anyway, this book I'm listening to is actually really good. I'm really enjoying it. Can't wait to get back to listening to it. But I'm going to clear off my bed, and I literally need to go get my daughter. Like right now. I'm just about to get in the car right now. I gotta go get her. So going to get her, listen to more of this book. I'll be back to read more tonight. Every time I take a long break from reading and get back to reading like consistently, I always come back to like books like this where I just can't stop and I just want to devour everything. All of the books. So good. All right, let's go. I'm about to get ready for bed. I have a hair appointment tomorrow, which I'm so looking forward to. My new growth is crazy. You see it there? It's literally like my pinky is 2 inches, so it's literally like a good inch long. Anyway, I'm excited to get my hair done. I had a wax appointment, but my sister just called me and was like, have you heard anything about the wax center being closed? No, I haven't. Apparently they shut down abruptly today. Wild. And I'm like, I loved my waxer. I hope, my sister said she thinks she has a business card from her, so I hope she still has the business card and we can like contact her. But then I also still have wax passes with that wax place, so I'll just have to go and get another one, get another appointment. I think I only have like 3 wax passes left because I only have 3 months left, so in the year. So anyway, that's unfortunate. Ow. I just hope we have the information so we can get the waxer. I'm cold, so turned on that. Anyway, and I'm kind of sleepy. I was going to edit a video, but now I'm like so drained and I don't even think I can. So I'm going to go to sleep. I think I'm gonna go wash my face if I get a burst of energy. And well, it's 9:30 and I definitely wanted to be in bed by 10, and I want to do some reading, so that also doesn't help. But yeah, I'll just edit the video tomorrow. It's fine. I have my video for tomorrow already going up. This video was for a day ahead, so that means tomorrow I need to edit 2 videos, so I'm at least 2 videos ahead, and that'll be perfect for like getting in the groove. Right now I'm ahead. I literally go on vacation in like a week and a half, so I need to get like a good bit ahead. I have the videos, I just have to edit them and put them together and post them. I don't have many hauls, guys, so don't be looking forward to them. Be looking forward to planning and getting in bed on time and reading books. So yeah, I'm gonna go wash my face. I think I'm gonna put a mask on tonight. I haven't done the clay mask in a while, and I really like that mask. I really saw a difference with my skin with that clay mask. Also, I'll do the clay mask tonight, and then maybe I'll do the turmeric mask tomorrow. Anyway, so yeah, let me get up and get ready for this bed because I'm a little sleepy. As you can see. Are we saying bye? Yes, I'll bye. I'll see you. Well, I'm gonna read, but I'll see you in tomorrow's vlog.